How to log into Discord or sign into the Discord app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can sign into your Discord app, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to log into Discord, all you have to do is make sure that you've downloaded the Discord application from your Play Store or your App Store, and then once you've done that, you want to simply open up the Discord application here. Then you're going to see this type of interface where you have two options. First of all, one is that you can tap the register option if you have not yet created a Discord account, and you can create an account either using a phone number or your email address. Now if you already do have an account, then we're going to come back, which in this case I'm assuming you have. You want to make sure to tap the login option, and then all you have to do is simply make sure to enter the email address that is associated with your Discord account, and you have to go ahead and make sure to enter your password. Once you've entered your email and password, just tap the login button and then you'll be successfully signed into Discord. Now in case you happen to forget your password, you can tap on this little button that says forgot your password in this case here. Once you just tap this forgot your password button, it will take you to the page where you can verify your email address. Once you verify your email address and so on, it will send a reset link to your email, which you can then use to reset your password. So this way you can sign into the Discord app. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.